Installing your base swing-out unit is easily accomplished in just a few simple steps. Before you start the install, you should gather the required tools to complete the installation, and make sure the following parts arrived in your packaging. To begin, confirm that your unit matches your kitchen design by verifying the swing direction of your cabinet door. Unpack the box to ensure all components are present, and find the shorter bracket for installation. Next, use the supplied installation guide to screw a series of brackets into their proper locations, which are outlined in page 4 of the instruction manual. With the guide flush against the side panel and face frame, mount the floor bracket with 3 of the panhead screws. Then, make a pencil cross on the rear of the face frame. You'll need to position the bottom of the guide on the cabinet floor for one mark, and along the cabinet wall for the other. Align your cross marks in the center bottom hole of the frame bracket, and mount the bracket with the remaining 4 panhead screws. Lastly, place the guide flush against the sidewall and mount the side panel with the 8 countersunk screws. Place and secure the top and bottom side arms onto the side bracket. Maneuver the side unit post into place, ensuring that the adjustment tabs are accessible. Install the snap ring on the post under the top bracket to lock it in place. Then, install the bottom and top arms on the post. You will notice that the pole side arms mount differently than the standard side. At this point, you can adjust the side arms on both sides to your desired height for the swing-out trays. Next, slide and secure the soft close mechanisms onto each standard side arm. Gently place the bottom and top trays onto those arms, and ensure that the shelves can swing cleanly into the cabinet. Once confirmed, snap the trays into the soft close mechanisms. If your tray is interfering with the cabinet opening, you can adjust the restrictor block to gain proper clearance. Once all adjustments are complete, dispose of the remaining parts from the package and ensure proper operation of the swing-out unit.